Bonjour, j'espère que tu vas très bien et moi aussi je vais bien. Aujourd'hui, on va faire le conditionnel. So today, let's get started with our next tense, which is conditionnel. What happens in this tense? We use it for politeness. Politeness as in, could you please close the window? I would like to order a sandwich. I would like to order a pizza. Okay, so it's a tense which is used for giving commands which are in a polite way. What is the difference between present and conditional? In present, we directly say, it is raining. I am buying fruits. But here, the tense that comes is, I would like. Could you please? Okay, so it's a tense which is used for politeness. I hope that you are ready with your notebooks. How are we going to conjugate this tense? Very simple. Future plus imperfect endings. So if I take any verb, future plus imperfect endings. So if I take any verb, par exemple, vouloir. How am I going to write the conditional tense of this verb? Je vouloir futur simple. Futur simple. What is futur simple of vouloir? It is voudre. Très bien. Voudre. Voudre. And then imperfect endings. Imperfect endings with je will be AIS. Je voudrais. Avec tu, je voudrais, c'est le même, it is same. Il, elle, voudrait, avec te, so SS, T, avec nous, voudrions, IONS, vous, voudriez. So with this method, you can conjugate any verb in conditional. Just take the future simple plus imperfect ending. And the last one is AIENT. So if we make an example, how are we going to make an example? Je voudrais commander une glace, s'il vous plaît. So if you will see the tense, if you will see this sentence in your convenient tense question, there will be these keywords which are going to signify, which are going to tell you that it is conditional. Like I have used here, which extra word I have used here? S'il vous plaît, please. I would like to order an ice cream, please. Could you please tell me the way? So something or the other will be there with which you will be able to identify that we are giving a command. We are asking something which is in a polite manner. So that is about conditionnel. There is something very important that I want to add on here. Avec conditionnel, there is an equation that often comes that you need to remember. There are two equations with avec C. C plus présent. C sentences generally comes in board exams. Impératif ou futur simple. Okay? What does this mean? Par exemple, si s'il pleut, je resterai chez moi. Can you see what equation I have followed here? Si plus présent. S'il pleut. If it rains, so si plus present. The next verb, again I have a subject pronoun here. So if I have the subject pronoun, I am going to conjugate it with futur simple. Je resterai chez moi. So if it rains, these are hypothetical situations. If it rains, I will be staying at my place. Let's see the next one. So two equations you need to do. C plus imperfect conditionnel. So let's conjugate this also. So I'm taking vouloir verb in imperfect. S'il voulait j'irai avec lui. So can you see this? Again I have conjugated two of the verbs. Si elle voulait, j'irai avec lui. Okay? The hypothetical situation, if he wanted, I would be going with him. Okay? So just a hypothetical situation wherein you need to follow this kind of structure. Si plus imparfait plus conditionnel. Conditionnel, which verb conditionnel I have written here? Verb. Can you see the futur simple? IR is the futur simple of which verb? Aller. Très bien. Okay, so aller aller conditionnel and avec lui. Clear? So these are the two hypothetical situations also that you need to do. Si plus présent plus impératif ou futur simple. Si plus imparfait plus conditionnel. So this is all about conditionnel. I'm going to see you in the next video with a new tense. Till then, keep practicing, and if you have any doubt, put it down in the comments and I'll be more than happy to help. Au revoir.